Also here from Tunex Audio, Auckland, New Zealand. So Steve sent his 2016 Road Glide from Christchurch. So he shipped the bike to us. We've been talking back and forth on how we could make this happen. When could we make it happen? Since the bike was in Christchurch and he had a ride-out to do over here in Auckland. So we booked him in just the right time. So what we did was a stage 3 setup on this bike, which includes fairing speakers, 6x9s on the saddlebag lids, 8-inch mid-bass drivers. The speakers we went with are all of the yellow basket ground zero speakers. We did sound digital 800.4 amplifiers to power all of these speakers. HKI mini DSP, NVS AUDIO T Harness. Since this client didn't want to upgrade to a Soundstream or any aftermarket head unit, we kept the factory GT radio. That's one of the concerns he had, is how good would it sound keeping the factory head unit. Thanks to NVS Audio, where I got my training done, they've made a plug-and-play T-harness solution for the GT and the GTS radios. That's what we use, and it makes the install way easier. We do not compromise on any sound quality. We can add the amplifiers that we want, DSP that we want. So we went with the HKI mini DSP, 2 sound digital 800.4 amplifiers, pure OFC copper wiring. We did quick disconnects on the saddlebag, so any bike that we work on, we always do quick disconnects. It makes the serviceability a lot easier on these bikes. We cut out the saddlebag lids, installed the 6x9s, tidy up all the wiring inside the saddlebag. We tuck it really nice so that if the client's using the saddlebag for storage purposes, nothing gets caught up or comes in the way. And that's the real reason why people get a lot of stage 3s done, is because you still have saddlebag space, and at the same time you get the bass and the quality you want. So after everything was installed in, we did a quick RTA tune on it. It sounds amazing. It turned out nice and clear and loud and had enough bass, and the client was super happy. We were super happy the way it all turned out. Also, we had to keep in mind the GT radio. We had to flash it, so that's what we provide as a service. We do flash these head units here. We use the proper flashing devices that are available in the United States. That's what we use here at Tunex Audio. So the way it turned out was super nice. The bike sounds awesome. Check it out what it sounds like. Stage 3 build. Did ground zero 6.5s, sound digital 800.4, 2 of these amplifiers, 1 underneath the head unit, 1 on top of the light, Tunex RCAs, HKI mini DSP, NVS AUDIO T Harness, so it's all plug and play. No cutting or splicing of the factory harnesses whatsoever. 6x9s, yellow basket, 8-inch mid-bass drivers, all OFC copper wiring. Check it out.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local. But thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I ball. Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight, the night I let you know. Baby, tonight, the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, but I'll be the best you ever had. Ooh, I feel it everywhere. It's cold breathing in the dark. Take me on, I'll leave you there. And call me when you'll be far. I don't wanna let you down. Slowly, but not too long. Ooh, I feel it in the air. You know me, I'll keep you warm. Sipping on 40 ounces again. Come, we got the busted rum. Nothing all night, we high. Get up the back to where not night. I give up my nigga, they give us a play, yo. Double up, nigga, what you mean? We got whiskey, we yo, big body green leaf. Double up for the first show, but it ain't no. Cause it won't beat when they roll some. You can't get away, but it's Tuesday, yeah, yo, keep your bankroll. Yeah, we having a celebration. Let us stay hot. You can never leave, but it's time to grind. I'm down for mine, crime after crime. Better creep to the back, the smoke's got a grub on the grill. If we got the flow, you know what's the first of the money, my nigga, we just for real. Wake up, it's like